Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jyoti. My roll number 2K20 B.Ed Secondary 32. My subject is critical thinking. My presentation topic is the benefits of critical thinking. What is critical thinking? Benefits of critical thinking in daily life, in classroom, at work. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking is general, term give a broad range or cognitive and intellectual skills to need effectively identify, analyze, and evaluate arguments, discover and overcome personal prejudice and bias, formulate and present convincing reason in support of conclusion, make a reasonable, intelligent decision about what to believe and what to do. Critical thinking at work. Employees who can engage in critical thinking are effective and independent and component. If you practice critical thinking, you logically connect ideas, scrutinize and evaluate arguments, find inconsistencies and error in your work and work of others, solve complex problems and engage in reflections. Benefits of critical thinking. It works as more and more employers are looking for employee not with specialized academic skills but with good think and communication skills who can learn quickly and solve problems, show creativity, gather and analyze the issue meaningfully. This has become vital skills are any professional. Example of critical thinking in the workplace. At work, critical thinking is essential for solving problems. When you work alone with a team, you need to observe and analyze the issue and encounter. Then you can come with way to improve the situation. These workplace critical thinking example can show you how. What enough supply? What your your small company make on stumps, notebook or birds watcher with inserts designed for a specific part of the country. You promote your product as a great gift idea and your holiday order. Break your previous scales record. The problem is you don't have enough material to fulfill your order. You ask yourself some question. What information is important here? You realize you are only missing the divisor of the notebook. What can you inner? You remember that you heard about other supplies of the dividers. You will communication help. You call the other supplier. After calling the other supplier, you find you can get the divider you need to fulfill your holiday order. You used critical thinking skill to solve the problem. Example of critical thinking in a workplace. Product launch problem. You are product manager of a permanent company. When you are managing the launch of a new product, the new equipment of producing and medicine need to be ready for production in a week. But the regularly group does not want to sign up on the document until you do more testing. You are getting you are getting pressure from the direction to make sure everything is running on the launch of apply critical thinking practice. What is road problem? The regulatory group what more testing but the learn. Team does not have time to get everywhere to sign the document again. Will communication help? You talk to the regularly group of figure and exactly what kind of testing they need. How can you save time? You could call a meeting to have everyone sign the document. it once after the testing has been done. You conduct the testing, the regularly group meets, culminating everyone to sign and meet the goal of launching the product on time. Your critical thinking skills help and overcome of challenges. Critical thinking in daily life. Critical thinking in everyday life. First, keep in mind critical thinking is applied deliberate through process. Basically, it means that you are using reason and logic to make to a conclusion about an issue or decision. You are tending with that clear, sound reasoning is something that will be help you every day. Benefits of critical thinking. Daily life. Help us avoid making foolish decisions. Help us become a good citizen capable of good work. Decision are important social, political and economics issues. Help us independent in developing good thinking skills capable of examining our own assumptions and dogmas. Practical critical thinking in daily life. Everyone knows being a critical thinking is important. But what does they really mean? These practical thing these practical critical thinking example will demonstrate what it means to make informed choice, analyze information and solve problem. Critical thinking on the internet. The internet is a great place to practice critical thinking since reader to constantly inundated with for information and other viewpoints, deciding what to think and why. You think it means you must analyze what you see and determine its source, its take, news. Consider these examples. Politician and did elephant of in social media. And social media and a friend share photo of a political continent standing over a dead elephant. Your friend and outraged to idea that this politician killed an elephant. It tempting to take the picture, its face value and share in your friend emotional reaction. Practical critical thinking example in daily life. Are desperate play from a friend. You open your email and discover a desperate letter from friend you have not talked to lately. In the letter, your friend says she has was on vacation in America and ran into legal trouble. The authorities they are holding her poisons and if such can find money to pay the bill and risk lifelong imprisonment. She begs you want to help by sending money to a certain address. Fortunately, you are critical thinker as ask some question before rushing to her aid. Is you her friend even Africa? You can easily call her or her family to find out. Does the email look like your friend writing style? When you analyze it is see there are many grammar errors and other mistakes. Who on the address you are would send the money. You search online and find on this is a phishing scheme to get money and personal information from people. Your find is not in America and because you are aware and critical thinker and analyze the email you avoided losing men. Critical thinking in classroom. A thinking classroom in a talking classroom. To develop critical thinker, you have to know what students are thinking. They are not afraid to challenge the thinker of other interview challenged. They have learned to express their think in front of lunch group and collaborate and work in a group. Why should we cultivate creativity in our classroom? In classroom, both creative and highly intelligent students are option. Unconventionals, unconformists, whose viewed by teacher as more difficult to teach and have more challenged behavior to manage. In order to make sure that your class of diverse learning are served well, we must make sure that we are tapping into learning style allow students. When students are engaged, their behavior is managed to encourage flow. Example of thinking critically in a classroom. Teaching critically is especially important, and these examples can also function as lesson plans. There are a lot of opportunities to help students learn to think in problem crazy fashion trends. Throughout time, people have chosen to follow fashion. Tried, worked into class to first list of the crazy fashion trend and come again gone, such as constant hop skirts, poisonous makeup, and outlandish hairstyles. Ask them some important question to encourage critical thinking. These trends, some silly, no, but why did people engage in them in 8 time? Can a student think of any trend like this that might be happening today? What are some way to decide it whether a trend is dangerous, harmful, or simply incommitment in some way? Fashion trends are a great example of a Badwagon fallacy. The tendency of people believe something is a good idea just because it is popular. Example of thinking critically in the classroom. Truth and adversity. Pill a popular soft drink chemical of the student. Give everyone example sample of the soft drink. In the end and encourage them to think about the thinking and then many not have changed their lives. Then encourage critical thinking. What did the chemical say directly about the soft drink? What did it imply? Did the soft drink live up to expe- exceptions laid out of the chemical? What is the main purpose of the advertisement? And the student answers the question. They learn to be critical thinker consumer. They can also apply this skill to make information decision about news stories and other information they encounter. Take an active role in decision making. Critical thinking involves stopping to consider a situation before acting from a judgment. This is conclude problem solving, recognizing your value to situation, and even healthy skepticism. People who practice critical thinking skill are thinking and active role in their decision they make. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.